Namaste students. So today we are solving problems based on the torque experienced by a coil when we placed in a external magnetic field, and this is a current carrying coil. Now the question is the maximum torque acting on a coil of effective area 0.04 meter square is 4 into 10 power minus 8 Newton meter. When the current in it is 100 microampere, find the magnetic induction in which it kept. Okay, now what is given data for us? We have to note down first. The maximum torque acting on a coil of effective area. So in this problem, we know what is the area of the coil. So let us write area of the coil is 0.04 meter square. That is the area. Okay, and the torque also they have given here. Torque tau is equal to 4 into 10 power minus 8 Newton meter. So this is what they gave, the maximum torque. Then the current in it is 100 microampere. So even they have given the current is equal to 100 microampere, which is nothing but 100 into 10 power minus 6 micro is that ampere. So find the magnetic induction. So B is a question mark, and since it is a maximum torque, so the theta should be equal to 90 degree. Maximum is possible when it is placed perpendicular. Okay, and on a single coil, only one coil they have given, so the number of turns is equal to n. Number of turn n is equal to 1. So we have a direct formula. Torque on a current carrying coil is given by tau is equal to n I a b sin theta. This is the formula we are using now. N is the number of turns, that is equal to 1 into, and I is what they have given, 100 microampere. So that is 100 into 10 power minus 6, and this is 1, N is 1, I is this, and area 0.04 meter square, and B we have to find, and sin 90, that is theta is sin 90. Sin 90 is 1. Okay, this 100 into 10 power minus 6 can be written as this 10 power 2 we can write. Okay, so 1 into 10 power 2 into 10 power minus 6 into 0.04 can be written as 4 into 10 power minus 2. And B we doesn't know, let us write B. And sin 90 is 1. And tau, how much they have given? Torque tau left hand side, 4 into 10 power minus 8 we substituted. Fine. Now 10 power plus 2, 10 power minus 2 we can cancel, no problem. And this 4 also we can cancel. And this minus 6 we will bring down. So therefore B is equal to 10 power minus 8 whole divided by, so we have 10 power minus 8 by 10 power minus 6. So when we take this minus 6 up, it will become plus 6. 10 power minus 8 plus 6, which is equal to 10 power minus 2 Weber per meter square. So this is your magnetic field. So 10 power minus 2 Weber, this is the answer. Okay. So the second problem, a 100 turns coil, a coil is having 100 turns. So N is equal to, so we will write the given data here, number of turns. So N is equal to 100, number of turns, N equal to 100. It kept in a magnetic field of 0.5 Weber per meter square. So B is equal to 0.5 Weber per meter square. Okay, and it carries a current of 1 ampere. I is equal to 1 ampere. Find the torque acting on the coil. Okay, and length and breadth of the coil is 15 centimeter. Oh, both are 15 centimeter only. So therefore area is equal to length into breadth, which is equal to both length and breadth are 15 into 15 centimeter square. So we can write like that. Then angle theta is equal to 90 degree. Okay. Then we have to find torque tau. Torque tau is equal to same formula NIAB sin theta. NIAB sin theta. Now N is 100 and current I is 1 ampere. Area is 15 into 15 into centimeter. We have to convert into meter. 15 into 15. When you convert into meter, it will become 10 power minus 4. Okay. Into, and the magnetic field is how much? 0.5. And again sin 90. Theta is sin 90 degree. Okay. Now which is nothing but so we have sin 90 is 1. Next 100 can be written as 10 power 2. So we rewrite this as 1 into 10 power 2 into 15 into 15 into 10 power minus 4 into 0.5 can be written as 5 into 10 power minus 1. Okay, see this 10 power 2, 10 power minus 4, and we have 10 power minus 1. So all together we will write. Now remaining what we have, 15 into 15 into 5 into 10 power minus 4 minus 1 plus 2. So minus 4 minus 1, it is minus 3. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5 plus 2. That is minus 3 we will get. So 15 5s are, so we have 75 into 15 into 10 power minus 5 plus 2. That is minus 3. So if I multiply 75 into 15, we are getting 1125. 1125 into 10 power minus 3. Now, if you remove this minus 3, we can write this as 1.125. Do we have that? Yes, 1.125 Newton meter. So the answer is option 2. That is 1.125. So this problem, what is the maximum torque on a rectangular coil of area 5 centimeter into 12 centimeter of 600 tons when carrying a current of 10 power minus 5 ampere in a magnetic field of 0.1 Tesla. So whenever we are solving any problem, first observe the given data and what we have to find. What is the maximum torque? So tau max is how much? That is a question mark. So when tau max is coming, theta equal to 90 degree, very simple. Okay, and area they have given, area is equal to 5 into 12, that is 60 centimeter square. Area is 60 centimeter square. And number of turns we have 600 here. Number of turns 600. Carrying a current I is equal to 10 power minus 5 ampere. And the magnetic field, how much they have given magnetic field? B is equal to 0.1 Tesla. So same formula again we have, torque tau is equal to NIAB sin theta. NIAB sin theta. Anyway, sin 90 is 1. We are not substituting that. N is equal to 600 into current I flowing is 10 power minus 5. Area is 60 centimeter square, convert into meter, 60 into 10 power minus 4, and the magnetic field is into 0.1. So what we can do, see 10 10 10, and this 0.1 can be written as 1 into 10 power minus, so minus 1. So what I am doing here, 6 into 6 into 10 power 3 and we have into 10 power minus 5 into 10 power minus 4 0.1 can be written as 1 into 10 power minus 1. So minus 4, minus 1, minus 5. Okay. So minus 5, minus 4. It is minus 9, minus 1. Minus 10. So 36 into 36. 6 is 36 into 10 power minus 10 plus 3, which is equal to 36 into 10 power minus 7. This we can write as 3.6 into 10 power minus 6 also. So this is your answer. So that is option B, 3.6 into 10 power minus 6. So this problem, what torque acts on a 40-ton coil of 100 centimeter square area carrying a current of 10 ampere held with its axis at right angle to a uniform magnetic field of 0.2 Tesla. Okay, what is given again? 40 tons coil. N is equal to 40. N is equal to 40 tons. And area is equal to 100 centimeter square. So 100 into 10 power minus 4 meter square. Okay. Then next we have carrying a current of 10 ampere. I is equal to 10 ampere. Right angle theta equal to 90 degree. Then we have uniform magnetic field, that is B is equal to 0.2 Tesla. So formula, the torque, what is the torque? Torque tau is equal to NIAB sine theta. So right angle is nothing but theta is equal to 90 degree, sine 90 is 1. Substitute, N value is 40, I is 10, area is 100 into 10 power minus 4. Then we have magnetic field of 0.2. Okay, now 2 zeros, 1 0, 1 0, 4 zeros. So further if I write, this can be written as 4 into 10 power 4 into 10 power minus 4 into 0.2 can be written as 2 into 10 power minus 1. Minus 4 plus 4, you can cancel it. Then 4 2s are 8 into 10 power minus 1. This also can be written as 0. This also can be written as 0.8. Okay, so Newton meter, 0.8. Do we have that option here? Yes, fourth option is correct. Thank you.